In this session, we will review placing doors and windows, this time using some of the settings that assist with the placement on interiors. If you have not already done so, set the floor selector to Station Ground Floor. Select the View Group Building Model and create a display set of the station building without the roof. You will now place interior flush doors in the toilet rooms and storage rooms. Select the Place Door tool. Set the catalog item to HM or hollow metal, masonry, flush. Select the placement point on the hinge side of the frame. The width should be 3 feet or 900 millimeters. The height should be 7 feet or 2100 millimeters. Toggle on the Frame Depth Match Wall option. This will set the depth of the frame to match the wall depth plus any additional offsets defined. Create a type ID of D2. On the placement ribbon, set the side offset to 4 inches or 100 millimeters. This allows you to select the placement point at the corner of the room, and the door frame will be placed 4 inches or 100 millimeters from that point. Now save a new catalog item as D2 Flush into your workset. The new door item is created, and now the selected door on your cursor. Select the wall where the door is to be placed. Data point first to the corner intersection. Data point again to determine which side of the data point to do the side offset. Data point a third time to define the rotation and swing direction. Now change the width of the door in the property panel to 2 feet 4 inches and change the leaf angle to 45. This will create a 45-degree swing on the plan drawing. Place this door at the storage area. Now we will create a different door type with a view window for the ticketing area. Set the catalog item to HM Masonry Half Glass. The width should be 3 feet or 900 millimeters. The height should be 7 feet or 2100 millimeters. Toggle on the Frame Depth Match Wall option and set the type ID to D3. Then scroll down to find some additional dimensions that control the glass feature in this door. Change the Dimension Feature 1 width to 8 inches or 200 millimeters. Save this catalog item as D3 Half Glass Narrow View. On the placement ribbon, make sure the side offset is still set to 4 inches or 100 millimeters, and place this door at the ticketing. Then finish placing the doors by placing additional doors at the opposite side of the building. Place Door tool can also be used to place a cased opening. Set the catalog item to Wood Cased Opening. Set the placement point to the center of this opening. Change the width to 21 feet or 7 meters. The height should be 7 feet or 2100 millimeters. Toggle on the Frame Depth Match Wall option. On the placement ribbon, make sure the side offset is set back to 0. And place the opening in the front wall of the ticketing area. Later, we will add the ticketing counter. Finally, we will use the Window tool to place a windowsill at each of the ticketing windows. Select the Window tool. Set the catalog item to Sill Wood. Set the placement point to center. Change the front offset to 0. The sense distance should be set to 1 inch or 25 millimeters. This is to ensure that only the first layer of the wall is perforated for the sill, not all the layers, such as the exterior brick. Set the sill height to 3 feet 2 inches or 950 millimeters. This should match the bottom of the window. The frame width should match the width of the window, and the frame height will be the height of the sill. Set the extension length to 1 inch or 25 millimeters. This is the dimension that the sill will extrude beyond the width of the window. Set the surface offset to 1 inch or 25 millimeters. This is the amount the sill extends beyond the face of the wall. Set the slope angle to 0. This would only be used if we needed the sill to slope, as might be the case on an exterior sill. Set the wall depth to 7 5/8 inches or 200 millimeters. This is the depth the sill will extend into the wall under the window. To place the sill, select the wall, then data point to select the center of the window as the placement point, and then data point again to indicate the direction of the sill. Place all 5 windowsills. In this session, you have added interior doors, a cased opening, and windowsills to the interior of the station building. In the next session, you will add casework and counters.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.